Mr. Beecham, 11th Earl of Warwick, welcome you. In this year of 1356, I have returned victorious from the war in France, where I served as a loyal caste. I saw a great need to replenish my collection of falcons, for I had taken many birds to war, and alas, few had returned. Hobby, and he was the son of a local fisherman. Hobby was presented to me, and he told me since he was a child, he had watched in awe as my falconers reared and trained the birds. How he loved to see the birds of Warwick fly majestically over the castle, and how heartbroken he was when so many did not return from war.
I will go on a quest to bring to Warwick a collection of birds that will be the envy of a king.
I laughed that our wishes were the same. Although he had no training with birds, I was charmed by his passion and asked him out of pity what reward he would want for this. Gold? Silver?
I wish to stand as your master falconer and see the skies above the castle full of birds of prey.
See him again. Hobby thanked me and set forth on his quest. Hobby had grown up on the River Avon, and it was from his boat that he had often watched at night some very beautiful birds fly silently above the fields, hunting for prey. They were barn owls. It was the largest bird in the land, a white-tailed sea eagle. Hobby had seen nothing like it before. He was so excited to see it in full flight, with its massive, long, broad wings. This huge, sturdy bird was a Stella's eagle. Those that cast their eyes on this magnificent bird are transfixed by its presence and power. With its distinctive eyes and pointed tufts of feather upon its head, Hobby was in awe. This is the falcon that royalty will bow down to. It is the falcon of princes. Peregrine, the wanderer, bird of the cliff and mountain, moor and craggy coastline. In the sky, there is no place for hunter to hide. This bird must rely on speed. When she tucks in her wings, she shoots towards Earth to become the fastest bird in the world. Seeing this bird in flight and on the hunt takes Hobby's breath away. He longs to learn more, to be tested. Training for the bird begins once they leave the nest. Training for Hobby.
Jeez. I thought he was going to take my head out then.
Building a relationship that has been throughout the ages mysterious and strong. full of many magnificent birds of prey. A sight that would indeed be the envy of the king. Warwick had a new hero, and I had a new master, who was destined to protect and care for beautiful birds. Hobby had fulfilled the falconer's quest. As you look into the sky, let your imagination soar. We have one world, one sky, and one future. Together, we must respect and cherish these magnificent birds. We hope you have enjoyed the Falconer's quest. Until we meet again, my friends. Until then, farewell.
Yay!
Oh, that was different.